Aloha! Thank you so much for joining us here again. We're so happy to see you. Be sure to fasten your seatbelts because we are about to take off and we want you to enjoy the ride. So buckle up because it's Mission Souls. So without further ado, have you ever seen the rain? I have, but I would love to see Mission Souls raining it down on us. So let's do this. Oh, niche on bass.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day.
Well then, that was so cool. A change of scenery, change of instruments. Seacon on the guitar and Nisha on the bass. Stacy strumming away, Seacon strumming away, Sheena singing away, and Nacy's and Ice raining it down on us. Good to see you on the bass, Nisha, showing your various skill set, or should I say, what's the word I'm looking for? Anybody know the word I'm looking for? Versatility, which is a word that can be used for all of them in the family. Very verse. These kids and parents. That was really good to see. It's a very nice song. It's a very chilling song. And in fact, some of the older folks that watches this channel actually love these songs. You know, it's more calming. You know, the older folks, sometimes they enjoy Mission Souls, but sometimes I guess some of the rock songs are a bit noisy or a bit busy, you know. So these kind of performances, these kind of songs is the ones that some of the fans of Mission Souls look forward to. It's a great song inside out. And Sheena did a great job, great vocals on this one. I love it. So, yeah. So while we're at it, let's do another one. So let's jump onto another one from our list here. And we're going to pick Proud Mary. Yes, I do have a list of songs. Proud Mary. Yeah, and it's from the same artist too. Yeah, Creedence Clearwater Revival. All right, let's check out how Proud Mary is. Fasten your seatbelts, guys. We are ready for takeoff.
Left a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleeping, worrying about the way things might have been. Big wheel keep on turning, Proud Mary keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Cleaned a lot of plates in Memphis, pumped a lot of paint down in New Orleans. But I never saw the good side of the city till I hitched a ride on a riverboat queen. Big wheel keep on turning, Proud Mary keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. If you come down to the river, bet you're gonna find some people who live. You don't have to worry, 'cause you have no money. 'Cause people on the river are happy to give. Big wheel keep on turning, Proud Mary keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river.
Yes, and there you have it. Another wonderful performance by Mission Souls Family Band, Proud Mary. And of course, Mary is definitely proud of them at this moment. They are going so great, and we're making sure that we on the other side do everything that we can do to keep the momentum going. When you have a momentum, you keep it going, because things change. Anything happen and things just change, and So while everybody is in good health and everybody is strong and healthy and fit and playing great music, we just have to keep this momentum going. So there is no slacking off. Bam! Wham! We're ready to get the ball rolling. Yes, great job, Sheena, again on the vocals, and Stacy. Good strumming there. And good solo from Nisha again. Good to see her not doing the flashy stuff, but doing mature musician solos. Nice, nice, nice. It's good to see them doing their thing. Ice over there on the drum, Seekan rocking that bass, and Naces on the keyboards. And another great job, great show, great performance, and great audience. You soulmates, I think. I hope I get it right this time. Thank you for keeping up. All right, until the next one, leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what song I haven't done yet. And by the way, for those of you who are requesting songs and even requesting other artists and bands and etc. in the Philippines, before you request a song, type Glasses Kingdom reaction to it first and see if I have done it, because many of you have been requesting songs and artists and Filipino bands that I have already featured multiple times. So check out my page. I have over 1,100 reaction videos. And out of that 1,100 reaction videos, over 500 is Filipinas. Yeah, so I've been doing it for a while. Anyway, thanks again for joining us, and until the next time, I see you. Peace.